Greetings to all. We would like to introduce ourselves. Ako di ay si Tiffany Joy Ferrares and he is
Jern Soaya.
and naami ron padulong sa among artistic friend para i-interview siya. So, let's go! So, good afternoon, no? Could you kindly introduce yourself for us?
Okay, so good afternoon everyone. I am Charmaine Hadkan, a first-year political science student and I'm 18. And I'm currently studying here in Central Mindanao University.
So, thank you for joining us today, no? We are excited nga to learn more about your artistic journey. So, to start off, could you tell us when did you first started pursuing art?
So I first started pursuing art when I was very young. So meaning when I was elementary, I started to view things differently. What does it mean? So for me, I think I'm really into creativity since one of the reasons for that is that I saw things I saw perspective differently. Like kanang mga objects, I'm really mesmerized and I am very fascinated by them. And that thought that how could this object can be applied through art? That is the question that really inspired me to continue and to draw. So when for that reason, when I put that into art, when I put these things into art or this object into art, then I felt the kind of fascination that I can draw something like this, and this inspiration inspired me to continue and to discover more about art.
Oh, so that's really fascinating. So, unsa or kinsa man ang naging biggest inspiration nimo throughout sa imong artistic journey?
So, one of the reasons why I continued for my artistic journey is my family. At the same time, my social peers, my brother, si Kuya Jud ang isa sa nagpa-inspire sa ako ang mag-draw. Why si Kuya? It is because he is also an artist and he is really a good artist. Since he was in elementary, he can draw actually he can draw better than me. Kay before from elementary is kuan ako kanang stick ra, but he can draw something more than that, or he can apply this object into an art. So I was fascinated by that and I was inspired by him. So why social peers at the same time? Because there are some people who supported me and who thinks that I'm good in drawing, and there are some people who wala sila believe sa ako or dito that I am not good enough. These people who supported me inspired me to continue, and this allows me to know that I have a talent. And these people who doesn't believe in me also inspire me. Why did they inspire me? It's because I think na they don't believe in me. I need to prove them that I'm good. So that is the social peers, my family, they are the reasons why I continue to draw and why I am artistically inclined.
So, how was being an artisan member impacted in your journey?
So being an artisan member actually gives me a lot of knowledge, information, and it gives a big impact sa akong artistic life. One of the reasons is that they taught me that it is not necessarily na pinaka-nice mong drawing. It is not necessarily na dapat mas nice ka sa iyang drawing. It is not about comparing. It is about teamwork, that we the members of artisans should share our knowledge, information with each other, and to inspire each other. So they gave me family, not just it doesn't just give me information and knowledge about arts, but they also give me family and values. This is a mga reason why I love artisans, because the members give me the importance of values na dili ka dapat mag-compare, and also the importance of teamwork. So dagan pa dyan nahatag ang artisan family sa ako, and I'm very happy and grateful for that.
So that really sounds great. So, how was being an artisan man na-influence your style or your perspective as an artist?
So they influenced me with a lot of things. So I'm very thankful and grateful for that. Kaya when I first doing art, I thought nga, nice na, I actually wanted to make myself better than anyone else. So, ginahimo dyan ako tanan nga, dapat ingat, mas nice ko sa iyaha, ingana, pero dili kayo siya, wala siya tunong bitang akong mindset. It is not about comparing, my God. It is about development. You need to develop, at the same time, you need to accept na dili kamo same of mediums, dili mo same of level sa these values and this principle taught me the importance of being an artist. Kay dili lang ang being an artist is not about comparing, it's not about degrading each other, but it's about unity. It's about the formation of the pursuance of support and love for each other as an artist para mag-continue ka and also ma-inspired ka.
So, speaking about art, so na ba kay particular artwork na i-consider nimo as your greatest or most significant na artwork?
Yes. So, mga siya for me is a very mesmerizing art na gibuhat na ko so far. For daghan man sila, but this one kay na siya yung deep meaning sa mga niya choose.
So about about dinhi. So what is the purpose? Na by purpose o na by hidden message sa art niyo?
Yes, a lot. I'm glad you asked that. Since there's actually a lot of inspiration, sweats that I put through para lang mahuman na artist. Why? Kay tungod, this art was supposedly kanang among ipas. This is the final artwork that will be the reason for us to be accepted sa artisan. So meaning, if money na artwork ang hatag naman si we should accept a lot of criticisms kay acceptance naman ato nga time. So I was only given kay I was busy po sa school, so I was only given like 2 days to complete this artwork. So challenging siya, but at the same time I'm happy na na-apply na ko tanan sa inani nga artwork. Na-apply na ko ako na-learn, ma-impose na ako na-learn the values, the lighting, and also the propositions and the hair, kung unsa ba dapat ang kuan sa hair, like sa iyang ano nga mura siya realism. Kaya akong gusto kuan, akong gusto nga ma-buhat is kanang realistic, realism. So I was glad na mao ni siya akong nahuman, although na ako yung mga dili pod ganahan diri nga part kay since I was giving it a small amount of time, but this is an accomplishment, or I consider this a trophy since this is one of the reason why I was accepted in Artisan, and that I was accepted as a member in the family.
Oh, so we could really see no nga being an artisan member is very busy for a student na nga being a college student. So iyang dedication and iyang passion is art are truly inspiring, no? So thank you for joining us.